So in this video we're going to take a look at another control circuit. This one has two electric motors and there's two contactors. So the way this works is motor number 2 is dependent on motor number 1 already running. And we achieve this by using this auxiliary contact. So if you imagine we'll put the power on, we can see there's no closed circuit there, so there's no current flowing. If I try to start motor number 2, you can see there will be no closed circuit. It won't work because of the auxiliary contact from contactor number 1. Now if I were to start contactor number 1, the circuit would close and we could see the current flowing through the power circuit and through the control circuit. And it continues to flow even after releasing the start button. This is because of the auxiliary contact here holding it. And I can now try to push start on the second contactor, and because this is closed, I will close the circuit and you can see it starts floating current through the auxiliary contact of contact number 2, and there we have motor number 2 starting. So this type of interlocking is making this contactor and this motor dependent on the first one already being started. And if I stop contactor number 1, they both will stop. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe.